Okay, today since I've only given them a 7 kg of layer feeds, and which is not enough. I'm supposed to give them at least 11 kg of feeds, but now since I'm out of feeds at the moment, so what I'm going to do is just to chop something like this as their supplement for today. This is how I chop. For just for them to easy to swallow. If you notice, I add a leaves of sweet potato because they love to eat this one, so I'm gonna mix them all together. Just this way, just chop it this way, so it will be easy for them to swallow. Okay. Okay, this is how it looks after I combine the chopped banana stock. Okay, and then later on I'm gonna add at least a broken or maize, a broken corn. Okay. They're now busy eating. See how much they have had here. Okay, I got 2 here. And another 3. Okay. On that another basket over there, we still see them. Okay. Some of the boxes are empty. The remaining eggs here for the second time. Alright. Because there are just only a few here anyway. Okay, some boxes are empty. Alright, see what I got, and I think it's not bad because yesterday they were able to produce at least 80% of their egg for the first time, and that's pretty good, and I believe that they will be able to produce at least the 90%. That's what I'm waiting for. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next.